away. You're on camera.
He's thinking about it. There you go.
Am I going to intimidate you if I get too close? Yeah. What do you think, dude? Oh my.
The better video would be the expression on your face.
Oh no. That's okay. You sure are letting me get close.
Good morning. I see you made the paper this morning. Your picture, yes, and the owl. Oh, hi. I scared you.
Oh wow.
Yeah, laminated and everything.
I just give a copy to my boss and copy. See, I did work.
Oh,
I almost brought it in too. Darn it.
Lori's already gone, huh?
they can just cut that right up with their beaks, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if there's one in the front. I'll go look.
So was that mouse alive this morning?
No.
No.
Oh, great. They're eating.
All our stuff is frozen.
Really?
Yeah, we just thawed out. We have mousicles, ratsicles, and quailsicles. As it were.
Oh wow, that was just spaghetti. I'm gonna thank you next time I have some pasta. Ew. Oh yeah, you like that, huh? Yuck.
May throw it.
Better not throw it on me. I'll probably cry. No, I won't. You tearing the
A
fur
lot of
off?
times with guts, they just pull them out like, shoelaces. They just keep pulling them and then toss them.
What are you doing? The owl? What are you doing? You're supposed to be burrowing. You see, I just got out of my kennel. I don't want to burrow. Oh my, look at you go.
Hello, Eclipse. Hello, Eclipse.
I think all the other guests would just love to know I was hanging out with a dead mouse.
Guts hanging down. Deferring now.
Aren't we lucky to see this?
Falcon's flock.
Aren't we lucky? Yeah. You're a American kestrel?
American kestrel. Member of the Falcon family.
Okay, I think